Hello my dear children, welcome back to our maths class. In the last class we have discussed algebraic identities, that is identity 5. Okay, today we are going to discuss identity 6 and 7. Okay, all of you please listen here. Algebraic identities, identity 6. X plus y all cube. X plus y all square we already know. Okay, we already learned. X plus y all cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay. Then identity 7. X minus y all cube. This is x plus y all cube. This is x minus y all cube. X minus y all cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. All the terms are negative. Okay, see, we can rewrite this identity 6 as x cube plus y cube. See, 3x into x plus y. So, 3xy into x. 3xy into x, that is 3x square y. Okay, plus 3x square y plus 3xy into y. 3x y square. 3x y square. So, x plus y whole cube can be write like this also. Okay, two ways are there. So, both are important. Okay, if you learn this one, it's also very easy to write. Okay, so you have to by heart this. Okay, in factorization type questions, this method is very useful for you. Okay, so x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y, or x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy. 3xy square. Okay, 3xy square. Clear? Like that, here also we can rewrite this. X cube minus y cube, see, minus 3xy into x, that is minus 3x into x square y, then minus 3xy into minus y plus. So, this term become plus. Okay, in this case all the terms are negative, but here all the signs are negative, but here this term positive, that is 3xy square. Okay, here and here negative sign, so become plus. So, x minus y whole cube, or we can write x minus y whole cube in two ways, like x plus y whole cube. Okay, so this x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube we can write in two ways. Okay, so this is identity 6 and identity 7. Next we have to discuss some related problems. Clear? Okay, this is our first question. All of you please listen here. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Cubes. Write the following cubes in expanded form. That means we need the expanded form of this one. Okay, first one, 3a plus 4b all cube. Second question, 5b minus 3q whole cube. Okay, so we can write first question. See, 3a plus 4b whole cube. 3a plus 4b whole cube. We can say that this is of the form x plus y whole cube. Okay, so by comparing this expression with our x plus y whole cube, we find that what? X is equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. Clear? By comparing this expression with the x plus y whole cube, we get what we get? Yes, x is equal to 3a and y is equal to 4b. Clear? Then, so using identity 6, using identity 6. What is identity 6? Yes, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Clear? So, our question is 3a plus 4b whole cube is equal to x cube, that is 3a whole cube plus y cube 4b whole cube plus 3 into xy, 3a into 4b of 3xy into 3a into 4b. Clear? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, x plus y. Sorry, x plus y. X plus y. Clear? So 3 cube is 3 square 9, 9 into 3 27. 27a cube plus 4 cube 64. 64b cube plus 3 into 4, 3a into 4b, 12. 12ab into 3, 36ab into 3a plus 4b. Okay, then 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 36ab into 3a. Just multiply this. 36 into 3, 18, and 1, 9, 108. 108 a square b plus 36ab into 4b, that is 36 into 4. 36 into 4 what? 24, then 12, 144. 144 a b square. A b square. So, this is the expanded form of this question, 3a plus 4b whole cube. 3a plus 4b whole cube is equal to 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 108a square b plus 144a b square. Clear? This is our second question. 5p minus 3q whole cube. Okay. By comparing this expression with x minus y whole cube, we get x equal to 5p and y is equal to 3q. No need of minus sign. Okay, this is already, we have already one identity, that x minus y. Okay, so here x is equal to 5p and y is equal to 3q. X minus y. Okay, x is 5p, y is equal to 3q. Okay. Using identity 7, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So, our question is, we can write our question like this. 5p minus 3q whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, that is 5p whole cube minus 3q whole cube minus 3 into 5p into 3q into 5p minus 3q. Clear? Which is equal to 5 cube. 5 cube is 125 p cube minus 3 cube 27 q cube minus 5 into 3 15 into 3 45 p cube into 5p minus 3 cube. Clear? The next step, 125 p cube minus 27 q cube, then minus 45 into 5. 45 into 5, 225. Okay, so minus 225 p square cube. Then next term, minus, so becomes plus. Okay, 45 into 3, 90, then 135 p q square. Here square term is q. P only one term, q into q square. So our question was 5p minus 3q whole cube. So expanded form of 5p minus 3q whole cube is 125p cube minus 27q cube minus 225p square cube plus 135p q square. Clear? This is our next type question. Evaluate. Okay. Evaluate 104 cube using suitable identity. Okay. 104 cube. If it is cube, we can use which identity? Yes. 6th and 7th identities. Okay. So, how to rewrite this 104? 104 is 100 plus 4 whole cube. 104 whole cube we can rewrite like this. So this is of the form x plus y whole cube. Okay. Okay. This is of the form x plus y whole cube. Then how to write this x plus y whole cube using identity 6? X cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3 xy 3 into 100 into 3 x y into x plus y using identity 6. Okay. So this is x plus y whole cube form. So using identity 6, 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 plus 4 into 100 plus 4. Okay. 100 cube is, yes. Okay. 10 lakh. Then plus 4 cube is 64. 64 plus 3 into 100, 300 into 4, 1200 into 104. Okay. Then 10 lakh plus 64 plus 1200 into 104. 104 is 0, 0, 8, 4, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 8, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, 0, 0. Okay. This is equal to then 10 lakh plus 1 lakh 24,864. 64. This is equal to 1124864. This is the 4. Okay. Here we are not multiply this directly 104 into 104 into 104. We are using identity 6 here. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, this is our another question. Factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Okay, factorization type question. So we can rewrite this expression like what? 8x cube. If I look at here, we can understand. Okay, 8 is 2 cube, x cube. So 2x whole cube. 2x whole cube. We can rewrite this as which is equal to 2x whole cube. 2 cube 8 x cube x cube. Okay. Plus then what becomes this? 27y cube. 27 is the cube of which number? 3. So 3y whole cube. So x square plus y, sorry, x cube plus y cube. So maybe this is of the expanded form of 2x plus 3y whole cube. 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, let's check. Using which identity? X plus y whole cube is equal to x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus second type. That means 3 x square y plus 3 x y square. Okay, so 3x square y plus 3x y square. We can check this. Okay. So x cube plus y cube, then 3x square y. 3 into what is x square? 2x square into y is, what is y? Y is 3y. Let's check. Okay. 2 square 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Yes, 36 x square y. Clear? So, x cube plus y cube, 8x cube, we can rewrite 2x whole cube, 27y cube, 3y whole cube, 36x square y we can rewrite as 3 into 2x whole square into 3y. Plus, the next term is 3x y square. 3 into x is 2x into y square is 3y whole square. Let's check it. 3 square 9. 9 into 2, 18. 18 into 3, 54. So, 54 y square x y square. Clear? So, we can write this as, this is equal to what? Here we are using identity 6. So, which is equal to, this expression is equal to 2x plus 3y whole cube. Clear? 2x whole x square plus y, sorry, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So, this is the expanded form of this one, 2x plus 3y whole cube. Clear? We can rewrite this as 2x plus 3y into, this is third degree expression. Degree of this expression is 3. So, we can factorize this expression in 3 factors, 3 linear factors. That is 2x plus 3y. See, 3 cube what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Like that, we can rewrite this expression as 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. So, factorized form of this expression is 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. Clear? Dear students, today we have discussed our algebraic identity 6 and 7 and some related problems. These are very important, so all of you please watch these problems very carefully and learn thoroughly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.